This video provides a detailed overview of the requirements and procedures involved in excavation works within the sewer network. For the Fuenschling Township Development Project CW2A, it covers essential steps ranging from preparing formation levels and bedding to placing and joining manholes and DWC pipes, emphasizing precise alignment techniques and benching within manholes. Furthermore, it explains the procedure of conducting leakage tests on DWC pipes and executing proper backfilling and compaction procedures to ensure structural integrity and long-term reliability through a focus on meeting project specifications and adhering to safety protocols. The video aims to facilitate the successful execution of excavation works. For this development project, the bottom width of excavation at DWC pipeline shall be maintained with allowance of 50 mm depth for each side of the trench, plus the specified width at each section of DWC pipe. Side slope for excavation will be maintained 1:4. The excavation work shall be carried out in a stretched length not more than 100 meters ahead of work of laying and jointing of pipeline. The bedding material is placed in the bottom of the trench, between the foundation and the bottom of the pipe. The bedding thickness should be a minimum of 10 centimeters for 10 centimeters to 91 centimeters diameter pipe and a minimum of 15 centimeters for 106 centimeters to 150 centimeters diameter pipe. As per manufacturer's instruction, laying out the pipe along the proposed trench line is a commonly used practice, and it allows the pipe to be picked up and installed in one operation in the laying sewers. The center of each manhole shall be marked by a peg to wooden posts 100 mm by 100 mm and 1,800 mm. High shall be fixed on either side at nearly equal distance from the peg, or sufficiently clear of all intended excavation. Before pipe is laid into the trench, it should be re-inspected for any damage and any debris that may have accumulated. On the inside of the pipe, the gaskets or sealing surfaces should be cleaned. The pipe should also be checked to ensure that it is the correct type and size. The initial backfill serves as a layer of protection and helps to distribute loads away from the pipe into the pipe zone and use crushed sand, or as approved by specifying agency or engineer of record. Manholes are provided at all sewer intersections. Changes in horizontal direction, major change in slopes, change in size, and at regular intervals. And the manholes shall be installed simultaneously with the drainage networks. The precast manholes shall be shifted in tractor from the precast yard to the construction site and unloaded by excavator/crane. The same shall be placed at specified locations with crane. Excavator supported by a group of skilled workers monitored by a competent site inspector. The joints between two precast elements shall be sealed using the elastomeric joint seal NitoSeal PU 40/50, and fill the remaining gap with rich cement and sand mix both externally and internally to make the surface good before backfiling. Holes required in precast concrete chamber units to allow pipework to pass through shall be made drilled, cut, and oversized by the minimum gap required to ensure a watertight seal around the pipe, and seal the joints with non-shrink grout Convextra GP2 or equivalent. Any overbreak of holes shall be made good using a Convextra GP2N or equivalent, which is suitable for the DWC pipe and precast elements. As per technical specification, the differences in height of inlet and outlet pipe of each manhole shall be maintained at least at 75 mm for normal gradient flow, but it needs to be checked with minimum requirement of pipe slope or as instructed by supervising engineer. The manhole shall be precast of M25 grade concrete. The sewers are tested by plugging the upper end with a provision for an air outlet pipe with stopcock. The water is filled through a funnel connected at the lower end, provided with a plug. Afterwards, the air is expelled out, stopcock is closed, and the reading is noted after 30 minutes. During this time, they will conduct visual examinations on the pipe and check if there are any potential signs of leaks and cracks. Water shall not exceed 15 milliliters in the smaller diameter and 60 milliliters in the larger diameter of length 100 meters. Any sewer or part of it not meeting the test shall be emptied and repaired and tested again. The soil used within the embedment zone will be same as excavated materials from trench digging, and the soil should not contain any organic material, stumps, logs, or limbs, man-made waste, debris, frozen soil, or any other unsuitable material. During the backfilling process, half of the backfilling is carried out manually, while the remaining 50% is compacted using a roller. This dual approach ensures effective and efficient filling of the designated area, combining the precision of manual work with the compaction power of machinery.